Perpetual at saka JRU. No, NCAA Season 100. So, maganda yung start ng JRU. Pero dahil ang, ah, ang Perpetual may mga players na athletic, long and athletic. Kaya sila nakabalik sa second half. Siguro yung defensively, yun yung lagi natin sinasabi. Napahirapan yung JRU na hindi sila nakakascore almost all of buong fourth quarter ata. Halos kalahati ng fourth quarter hindi sila umi-score. Kaya nahirapan sila. Siguro nagpapahirap sa kanila is yung long and athletic players ng Perpetual Altas. So, yun. Yun yung kasi defense Pag long and athletic ka, forwards, guards, forwards, even up to the centers. Especially, hindi na kailangang mahirapan yung sentro tsaka power forward mo kasi yung from 1, 2, 3 position mo, they can deflect the ball with their wings. So, pag ganun na nangyayari, magkakaroon ka ng easy baskets, minsan kasi transition points, pass break points, and then, siyempre, dahil mas matatangkad yon, they can shoot over the defense. They can shoot over the defense anytime they want. Dahil nga mas matangkad sila dun sa defense. At siyempre, pag athletic ka, minsan maiiwanan ka ng defense, may open 3-point shot ka. So, yun yung nangyari. So, yun lang po.